Welcome to the Code with Reza channel. My name is Reza and I'm here to teach you Python. Today I want to show you how to install the Python on Mac using Homebrew. Python is a popular high-level programming language that is used widely for various purposes such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and scientific computing. Python was first released in 1991 and has since become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. Now let's install it. There are two ways to install Python. One of them is going to the website and download the package and install it, and the other one is a little bit more professional way, which we will do here now. We need to first install Homebrew. Homebrew is a popular package manager for Mac that makes it easy to install and manage software packages like Python. So what we are going to do is first install Homebrew on the Mac and then using Homebrew to install Python. For installing the Homebrew, you need to open the Terminal app on your Mac. I will show you right now. You can go here on the search and say type Terminal. Enter. This is your terminal. I will make it a little bit bigger for you to see. Now we need to install Homebrew here. I will copy and paste because the command is a little bit big. I will copy for you and put it here. Bin bash -c curl and a URL. I will put this URL in the description so you don't need to memorize it or write it down now. You can go to the description and copy and paste this command. When you enter, it asks you for password. So I will enter my password. And press enter. It starts to download a couple of packages and installing the Homebrew on your Mac. You only need to do it once. So if you have done this installation before, you don't need to do it anymore. Only do it if you haven't done that in your Mac. So done, the Homebrew is installed. Now it's very easy from here now to install the Python. Instead of going to the website and finding the right page and downloading and then double clicking on the file and then installing and then these kinds of things, we just need to go to the command line and say brew install Python. That's all. All you need to do is just these three words. Because I already have Python installed, it says here it's already installed. It doesn't do anything for me, but if it's not installed, it will install the latest Python for you. To verify that Python is installed successfully or not, just on the command line type Python 3 version. I need to do double dash. So Python 3.11.0, which is the latest one, and it shows that everything is installed successfully on your machine. If you're finding this video helpful or interesting till now, it's a good time to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my latest content. So go and subscribe. Okay. There are other distributions of Python that you can install. The one that we installed here is the original classic version of Python, which everyone uses. But there are other variations of Python. For example, we have ActivePython. This is a commercially supported Python distribution that provides enterprise level features such as guaranteed support and security patches. You cannot use Homebrew to install it. You need to go here into your browser and type https www activestate.com/products/python/downloads. You can come to this page and download the version which is useful for you. For example, for me it's Mac, and then run it, and at the end try Python -- version to see if it is successfully installed on your machine. The other one is Anaconda. It's popular open source distribution of Python programming language that is used for scientific computing, data science, and machine learning. For Anaconda, you can go to www.anaconda.com/products/distribution. This is for downloading Anaconda distribution. When you download Anaconda distribution, the difference is you need to come to your terminal, and for testing if you have it in your system, instead of Python version that we always normally do, we need, or Python 3 in Mac, instead of Python 3 / version, for Anaconda you need to do conda / version. I don't have it, so nothing happens here, but if you install it correctly, this will show you the version, and if this command works, means you have successfully installed Anaconda in your machine. The other one is Miniconda. This is a lightweight version of Anaconda distribution that includes only the essential packages needed to run Python and Conda. So how do we do that? We go to docs.conda.io/en/miniconda.html. And in this page you can find the latest release and install it, and then again, like Anaconda, use conda / version to see if it is successfully installed on your machine. You can also install the PyCharm, which is a popular integrated development environment for Python that also includes a Python distribution, which I use. I use PyCharm in all my lessons here. So what you do is go to JetBrains, www.jetbrains.com/pycharm/download, and you go to, if you want to pay for it, you go to professional. If you don't want to pay, you go to community and download community version. I use community version, and download it and install like other packages. It's an IDE which you can develop code plus a Python distribution in it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you later.